Hey, today we're going to be making homemade potato salad here from home. It's a simple, easy recipe, budget friendly, and super delicious. Let's get into it. Okay, our first step in potato salad is you are going to peel and boil your potatoes on the stove in salt water. And then you're going to cube them up like I have them here. And I've let them come to room temperature and or put them in the refrigerator so that as I'm mixing in the potato salad sauce, they're not breaking down. Because the whole idea, we're not making mashed potatoes today, friends. We're making potato salad. So I'm going to set those up to the front and I'm going to take just a mixing bowl. First of all, I am going to start with mayo, regular mayonnaise here, about that much mayo. Because you can see that my potatoes, this is the bowl of potatoes, right? I've got a nice big, large size bowl of potatoes. Before I do push that away, I'm going to take just some regular pickle juice that I have in the refrigerator and I'm going to splash it over the top of my cooked potatoes. That kind of keeps the potatoes hearty. So when we're kind of mashing them up, they're not going to crumble. And it adds a delightful little tangy taste when it all comes together. That pickle juice is an incredible ingredient. All right, so back to my mayo. Now I'm going to take some Dijon mustard here, and I'm going to just squirt in about that much. I'm going to take some salt and I'm going to put some salt all over my potato salad. Some pepper here, some black pepper. So just a couple dollops there of the sour cream. I am also going to put in some chives, kind of bring up some texture and some color into my potato salad. And I'm going to give this just a nice stir. I'm going to mix all of this together to make sure it's blended really super easy here. And I'm going to give it a couple splashes there. That also adds a nice tangy twist to your potato salad. And then the last thing I'm going to do is add some red onion, or you could add a sweet onion, whatever. You could add bacon, onion. A lot of times people will cut up pickles or add relish into their potato salad. Potato salad, it's a real free form recipe. You can add a whole lot of different things that you like into the salad. And we're going to pour it over our potatoes and we're going to gently combine it all together. And you can kind of see everything coming together here real nicely. So there we go. There is our beautiful potato salad. Super, super easy. And now I'm going to add some beautiful fresh parsley to the top to add some greens. And there we go. Ta-da. Isn't that a great looking potato salad? Okay, friends, let's taste this yummy potato salad. Let's give her the old taste here. See if all of our sauce and spices came together. Oh, yeah. Perfect. It has a nice tangy, love the onions in it. The sauce is super, super good. Just a classic style of potato salad. 10 out of 10. We did a great job on this one. The recipe will be in the description below. And guess what? I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.